been killing it in the gym. Big shoulders, thick arms, veins popping like crazy. But your jawline, still hidden behind your facial fat. And it's not because you're not trying. It's because most guys train every muscle except the one that sits right on their face 24/7, their jawline. Think about it. Every movie hero, every model, every masculine icon you know has that sharp, clean, carved jawline. It's one of the strongest aesthetic signals a man can have. So here's the good news. You're not stuck with the jawline you think you have. You can actually transform it way more than you realize. And in this video, I'm going to give you 4 science-based tips that, if you follow them, will give you a jawline you never thought was possible and make you more attractive than you've ever been, like Hollywood-level attractive, in the shortest time possible. So stay focused till the end, because what you're about to hear is something you won't find anywhere else, and you'll thank me for it later. Before we even start with step 1, you need to understand why having a strong jawline matters more than you think. Your jawline is one of the first things people notice, before your body, your hair, even your style. A sharp jawline instantly signals confidence, discipline, and strong masculinity. It's why movie heroes and models look powerful on camera, and why some guys naturally get more respect the moment they walk in. But here's the truth most men miss. Your jawline isn't genetics only. It's something you can shape, train, and improve fast. And once you do, your photos look better, your profile gets sharper, your confidence hits a completely new level, and people start treating you differently because your face sends a completely different signal. That's why you need to watch the next steps until the end, because these small changes can literally transform your face. Step 1. Drop your facial fat. Your jawline isn't bad. It's simply covered by a thin layer of fat. You don't need to lose 20 kilograms. Just dropping 5 to 7% body fat can change your face more than 6 months of gym. Facial fat is the first to shrink when you cut calories and the last to grow when you bulk. So if your jawline is blurry, undefined, or soft, fixing your diet will sharpen it faster than any exercise. To fix this problem permanently, I would suggest you watch this video. I explained everything in detail. Step 2. Fix your tongue posture. Even if you're lean, your jawline can still look weak because of posture. Not body posture, but tongue posture. Most people keep their tongue at the bottom of their mouth. This makes the chin look round, the jawline saggy, and the face longer. But when the entire tongue sits at the roof of your mouth, it lifts the lower face upward. A sharper jawline, better cheekbones, and a more masculine profile. Press your whole tongue up, not just the tip, the entire surface. You'll feel your jaw tighten instantly. This one habit, over time, can change your face more than you think. Step 3. The only safe jaw exercise. Forget jaw trainers, chewing balls, or masseter devices. They overload your TMJ, damage your teeth, and make your cheeks look wide and puffy. The safest method is controlled chewing. Use sugar-free gum. Chew for 10 minutes max. Switch sides every minute. Stop if you feel clicking or pain. This activates your jaw muscles without overloading your joint and gives your jawline a tight, dense, defined look without making your cheeks big. It's the same method used by models and actors. Step 4. Fix your neck and chin posture. Your jawline can disappear instantly if your head leans forward even 2 centimeters. Your neck folds, your chin tucks, your face looks rounder. Fix it daily. Lift your phone to eye level. Keep your chin slightly tucked. Pull your head backward, not upward. Stretch your neck 30 seconds morning and night. To learn more about neck muscle training, watch this video. If you combine these 4 steps, lower facial fat, correct tongue posture, safe jaw activation, and neck positioning, your jawline won't just improve, it will transform. But if you want to speed up this transformation and unlock that sharp, attractive, camera-ready jawline as fast as possible, don't miss the next 2 videos. They're short, packed with real value, and they'll take your facial aesthetics to the next level. Watch them right after this one. Enjoy the videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one, legend.